Look at with me about question number 1. The common factor of all numbers is 1. 1 is the common factor of all numbers. Question number 2. The smallest odd prime number 3. Any prime number can be divided by itself and 1 only. We have two factors about any prime number. Question number 3. 24 is 6 times the number what? It's meaning 24 equals 6 multiplication by what? 6 multiplication by 4. Then we must choose 4. Okay, choose 4. Question number 4. Okay, area of the rectangle equal length times width. L refers to the length about rectangle, here length and width. The area equal length times width. Question number 5. 63 times 28 equal 28 times by 63. We using here about properties, replacing 63 times 28 equal 28 times 63. Question number 7. Okay, it's finished. Now second question. 1, 2, 7, 14 are factors of the number 14 because 14 can be divided by 7 and 2 and 1. Then question number 2, choose question number 2 complete. 1, 2, 7, 14 are factor of the number what? Factor of the number 14. Question number 2, 4 times 10,000 equal 40,000. Okay, then you won't find space by 10,000. We must cancel here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 40,000, it will be 4 10,000. Write 4 here in the space. Understood? Again, 4 times 10,000, it will be 4 10,000. Next question, third, find the area of the square whose side length is 6 centimeter. We won't find here the area about square. The area of square equals side by side. We have side length here equal 6 centimeter. We know all sides are equal length in square, then the area will be 6 by itself. 6 by 6, it will be 36 square centimeter. Okay, question number 2. Find the greatest common factor of 6 and 18. We know 18 equal 2 times 2 times what? 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. And 6 equal 2 times 3. And then draw the circles to find the greatest common factor. It will be 2 times 3, it will be 6. Or we know 18 can be divided by 6, then 6 we called it greatest common factor, and the least common multiplication between them it will be 18. Or you can use factorizing about 6 using 3 diagrams. 6 equal 2 times 3 and 18 equal 2 times 9, and then you can write 6 equal 2 times 3 and 18 equal 2 times 3 times 3, and then complete to find the greatest common factor between two numbers. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The common factor of all numbers 1. A number can be divided by 1. Question number 2. 45 is space times by the number 9 is 5 times the number 9. It's because 45 equal 5 multiplication by 9. Then you must choose here letter B. Choose letter B about this example. Question number 3. Space is the only even prime number 2. 2 is the only even prime number. We know any prime number can be divided by itself and 1. And 2 we called it only even prime number. Question number 3. Okay, question number 4. What is the number is 10 times the number 17? It's meaning 17 multiplication by 10. it will be 170. Question number 2, complete number 1. If 8 times 7 equals 7 times 8, then A will be 8. If 8 times 7 equals 7 times 8, then A equals 8. Question number 2, space is 5 times the number 3. 3 times 5, it will be 15. Multiplications by two numbers. Question number 3, the prime, question number 3, the perimeter of square of side length 10 meter is space meter. We want to find here the perimeter. The perimeter of square equals side by 4 times the length by itself. We know about square, all sides are equal in length. Okay. Question number 3, we want to find the perimeter of square. We know all sides are equal in length in the square, and we have side here equal 10 meter. Then the perimeter will be what? The perimeter will be side by 4. Side here was 10. 10 times 4, it will be 40, right? 40 meters, perimeter of square. Question number 4, 2 times 3 times 4 equal 2 times space times 4. We used here what? Commutative properties. We can replace two numbers here, 2 and 3 and 4, and write 3 here in the space. Commutative properties. Question number 5, the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2, or you can write 2 lengths plus 2 widths, or you can write 2 product lengths plus widths. It's the perimeter of rectangle. Question number 3, apply the properties of multiplication to find 2, 5, and 3. Okay, we have properties here about 2 times 5 times 3 using commutative properties. 2 times 5 by 3, associative properties. 2 times 5, it will be 10. 10 times 3, it will be 30. Okay, commutative properties and associative properties here. Question letter P. If the area of the opposite figure is 25 centimeters, then the value of x equal what? We have here what? We have here square. And all sides are equal in length in the square. Okay, he give us the area equal 25 centimeter. Put here 25 centimeter. He give us area 25 square centimeter, and we know all sides are equal in length in a square. Then he won't find x. X, it will be 5 centimeter because the area of square equals side by side. 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the side here will be 5 centimeter.